Hey guys, my name is Karen and I am part of the creative team here at Passion Planner. If you don't know how to draw, this is the perfect episode for you because I will be teaching you how to draw some plants using 3 very basic shapes. Before I get started, here are the stencils that I will be using. The Pentel Brush Sign Pen and a dual Tombow brush pen. This is what I will be using for coloring and this is what I will be using for drawing. If you want a closer look, the links will be in the description below. With that said, let's get drawing. To get started, we are going to work on 3 very basic shapes. The first one is very small, and all you're going to do is start with an upward motion like this, and then come down at the same point. With the next shape, we're going to do the same thing, but make it a little longer. So here the volume is more at the bottom of the shape. And lastly, we are going to add even more weight to the bottom of this shape by giving it a greater curve. The next thing we want to do is just draw various kinds of lines that you feel comfortable with. So I'm just gonna do one going down, another just straight, and then another a little squiggly. So using these shapes, I'm going to start putting it onto these lines. You can choose to curve it a little bit or you can come to a point. It doesn't really matter that much because plants are so organic that it will look pretty good either way. For the next one, we're going to use the second shape here, which is a little larger. I'm just going to use the same idea. Generally, the larger the leaf is, the more space that you give it. Last, I'm just going to use this larger leaf. However, if you love drawing flowers like roses, this is something that you will be utilizing a lot. That's really all you need to get started drawing plants. Since we're working with a lot of organic shapes here, I try to work with more man-made shapes, which are like triangles or circles. So I'm going to add vases to these plants. Once you get better at all of these, you can start to pair some of the plants together or use them as very long accents across your planner. You can be very creative with just these very generic shapes. And now I'm just going to fill in my plants with these colors. So check out this spread to get a better look at how to incorporate these illustrations into your layouts. So thank you so much for watching. If you liked this video, please give us a thumbs up or subscribe to our channel because I will be teaching you how to draw a bunch of things in this series. If you have an idea of what you want me to draw next, or if you're struggling to draw something, leave a comment below and hopefully your idea will be in my next video. So with that said, just remember you can draw anything and you can tackle anything. Just take it one step at a time. Until then, I'll see you next episode.